In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Racing Diva discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Racing Diva discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called returnmenow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different types of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So, for example, if you want to get this $10 discount of your first order that is higher than $50, you can simply tap right here to show code. And this is the promo code that you can copy from right here and use on your next order to get that $10 discount. Also, we have this website which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use as well. And for example, if you want to take up to 10% discount of your next order right here, all you need to do is simply tap on this button where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply tap on the copy button to copy this promo code, and you can use this one on your next order to get a 10% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.